God.
Right behind you. Alright, so I'm gonna turn just like that. Just like that. Okay, relax that shoulder more.
Oh my God. Oh wow.
Just try to relax. This one is good. It's perfect.
Oh shit.
It's okay, just breathe.
I felt like a lot.
Right here.
Oh my God. Whoa, I felt that in my spine.
And out. Exhale out. Good.
Whew.
One more. Let that leg hang more. Good. So we're gonna address. There it goes. Right there. Good. All right. So I just want you to relax just a little bit more and exhale. Good. And exhale out. Good. Good. Exhale out. There it is. That's good. Woo. You can feel that right there. I'm gonna push this upwards and relax. Good. Good. Relax more.
Oh.
Everyone likes this, huh?
Good. Relax your shoulders more. There you go. Relax your neck more. Relax that side.
Crap.
Tilt your chin up a tad.
Man. Oh.
But you'll see. Make sure you just let your legs relax. Let those feet just dangle.
Oh, that's...
Yeah, let's go right here. Whew.
Oh. Instant relief.
Wow. Relax more. Good. Good. I'm gonna push. See how stuck it is right there? All right. Take a deep breath in. Good. Relax more. Relax.
Oh my God. Oh wow.
Relax a little bit more. Good.
Oh Jesus. That's loud.
That was super loud. Okay, I'm gonna push right here. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Good.
So nice.
good. And go down. You feel that?
If you felt it, did I felt it?
There you go. I'm gonna move just like that. Good. And turn your head down. Just relax your shoulders more. Exhale. Good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep.
That needed it for sure.
Yep.
A little bit higher today, alright? Gonna move, but right there. Good.
Oh, yeah.
Good. There he goes. Relax more.
Yeah, that was a big one.
A little bit right there. Good. Turn your head. Good.
Oh, that was so awesome.
That was
Yeah, I needed that.
That was really deep.
Yes, I needed that. Whew.
Yeah.
Like, where are you when it's time for me to go to bed? Like, so serious.
This way. Good. Look straight. There you go. Good. Look for a little bit higher here. And then exhale. Push all the air out. Good. Yeah. Good. Relaxing your shoulders more. Good. Exhale. Exhale more. Good. We're gonna go up a little bit higher and then exhale out. And then push this way.
Ooh.
That was a lot.
Yeah. I felt my teeth and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have you.
Wow. I wasn't expecting to feel it all the way down.
Yeah. And exhale all the way out. Good. Let your shoulders go. Good. Awesome. Awesome. Good. Whew. Good right there. And exhale out. Good. And just relax more.
Oh, that was a good one.
Good. Your shoulders wiggle. Good. 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 Let's get the other side. Yeah, right there. Kind of let your head bend down. Let it bend. Relax more.
Feels so good.
Relax more. Relax a little bit more. Good.
Wow.
Yeah. Turn your head. Good. There it goes.
Solid.
Good. Lower, lift it higher. Back down. You alright?
Yeah.
Relax your shoulders. You heard that? I heard that.
There it is.
That was it.
Yes, sir.
Exhale out. That's good. Tilt your chin up a tiny bit. Good. So turn. There it goes. Turn. Good. Just relax a little bit more. Good.
Whew. Oh. Ooh.
That was a lot.
It feels good.
Good. One more. Good. So I want you to take a deep breath in and exhale out. There it is. Good. Right here. Just relax just a little bit more. Yeah.
Brought me over here.
Yeah. Good.
Oh yeah, that was good.
Yeah. All right, just relax a little bit more. Let your head go. There it is. Here. Whew. There it is. Good. Awesome. I'm gonna move just like that. Relax that ear. Awesome. Good. Good. Exhale out. Good. Good. All right. Today. Relax your shoulders.
It's crazy with that. It sounds crazy, like it's scary, but it feels so good.
Yeah.
Just to release that.
That whole thing, right?
Yeah.
And exhale out. Good. So I want you to relax this ear a little bit. Whew. And exhale out. Good. Good. Okay, just relax your neck a little bit more.
I told you I can pop my arm.
Relax and still. There. Relax more. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? Turn your head like this. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be pulling like that, all right?
Okay.
So I just want you to relax just a little bit more. Good, relax your shoulders. Good.
Oh, ooh, that was awesome. Yeah, that was good. You know, because I always do my neck like, I be like, something needs to pop right up in here.
Yeah.
And when I slept last night, I could really feel it starting to build up a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I like that. That euphoria feeling. Again.
That's huge, right?
Yes. Oh, that was awesome. Okay.
Good. On your back for me. Yeah. Awesome. Just wouldn't do it, let that good. That's good. There it is. Here. Good. Relax your neck just a little bit more.
Wow.
There it is. Good. Turn the head down more and exhale. Good. Wow. Good. So I want you to take a deep breath in for me and then exhale all the way out. Let that go more. Good. There you go. Right there. Good.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Just relax some more.
I'm ready.
Turn.
That was wonderful.
More. Good. And I want you to relax. Give me your head. There it goes.
Oh my goodness. That was awesome.
Good. Let that go. Don't let your shoulders become gel. Give me free movement. Good.
Nice.
Laugh a little bit for me. There you go.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
I heard that.
I'm gonna adjust you right here, okay? So I basically put you in a headlock and then I pull.
Okay.
That's really the gist of it. But all right, so I'm gonna have you turn your head all the way this way. Let your head relax down into that hand. Push my head that way. Okay, relax this shoulder. Drop that more.
Oh, great.
Good, relax you some more. Relax more.
Whoa, that was a lot.
A little bit more. Good. Good. Right there. Okay, just relax more. Good, relax your shoulders.
Oh. Whew.
Yeah.
Wow. I love that one.
Yeah. Scoot, lift your head.
OMG. Woo. I needed that. I felt that all the way down to my lower back.
Yeah.
Ooh.
What's the diagnosis, doctor?
I'm gonna go adjust on this right side. I'm gonna turn. Just like this. Adjust this way. And I'm gonna have you relax your head down. And relax your shoulders more. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Gotta relax a little bit more. Good.
Whoa, what the frick? I've never had that done. Oh my gosh, that was so weird. That felt good.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That was cool.
Whoa.
So I'm gonna grab and I want you to let that head go like that. That's perfect. Good, let that head drop further. There you go, it's relaxing a little bit. Relax the shoulder. There you go, that's good. Wow. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Alright. Just like that. Good. So what I want you to do is you're gonna turn and let your head go down. Just like that. Okay. Good. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. There you go. Just let that go. Just try to relax. Let that left shoulder relax. More. Good.
Wow. That felt weird. Cool.
What do you do? Good.
And the shoulder pain reduced a lot, so I'm
Good.
assuming all that had to.
Has everything to do with it.
Yeah, it's ridiculous, dude.
Relax a little bit more. Good.
Oh, Jesus. That's loud.
That was super loud. Mm-hmm. Yeah. There you go.
Good.
Relax your shoulders more. Good.
Oh, crap.
You alright?
Yes.
And I think you can adjust the body for a little bit. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna put my hand just like this and turn. Good. Now what I want you to do is just relax as much as you can. Good. Relax those shoulders.
Oh yeah. I think I did need that. Yes.
Yeah.
That was a big one.
Yeah. That was huge.
Thank
That's
you.
why I did that, right? Good.
Yeah. That's probably why.
Yeah.
That was easy.
Yeah, it's super easy.
Oh my god.
Deep breath and relax your shoulders more. Good. Good.
Ooh.
A little different. We can do this side. Relax your shoulders more. There you go.
Oh yeah, that felt good. Especially the other one.
Yeah.
Nice.